That only there, right? Metrology, I have written it simple words. Machine tool, I bolded it, right?
Right.
So this is your subject. So this is,
Unit 1
yes.
metal cutting.
Yes, unit 1 is metal cutting, and I am your faculty, Dr. Syed Mujahid. This is my standard PPTs. मेरा standard PPT है ये, right?
Okay, sir. Right.
So first you pay attention. This is your textbooks. So as per your JNTU, RK Jain, engineering metrology, RK Jain. For metro, actually in this you having two topics. One is metrology and one is machine tool. For engineering metrology, it's better to follow RK Jain, and for machine tool, initial 3 chapters, you better to follow this one, elements of manufacturing process. This is a simple book actually. You may get in within 250 to 300, you will get it. And this book is available on your Amazon also. Even you can book, it will deliver to your home. Almost you'll get 25 to 35% discount also going to get on this book in Amazon. So everybody please keep this book. So all the information, initially 3 chapters, that is machine tool. So that will be come from this book, that completely I'm teaching most of the material, whatever the things is there, that will be available syllabus. And for 4th and 5th chapter, that is engineering metrology, that is engineering metrology by RK Jain, what is prescribed by you from your university. So are you able to hear me? So everybody please attentive in the class. So everybody able to hear me, right? Hear my voice.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So pay attention. So I will take it for some time now today, and after that you can listen to my videos, and then Friday we can discuss if you're having any issues. Otherwise, you can move forward for further classes. So this machine tool. So machine tool is nothing but it is the machine. Actually, machine tool is nothing but it's a machine. So whatever the machines are there in your workshop, that is lathe machine or drilling machine. So everything is considering as a machine tool here. So machine tool is nothing but don't see that it is a tool like a saw or like a blade. Machine tool means it's a big machine. So in big machine, in our mechanical engineering terms, we used to call it as a machine tool. So these machine tool normally used to manufacture the component or nothing but produce the different kind of component. That's why this chapter, whatever you're studying, this is an extension of production technology. Whatever you studied previously in your second year, extension of that is production technology. So if you see, before going for further, I will take a glimpses of your production technology. So if you take what is in the production technology, what you studied in the production. So production is nothing but something making some kind of products or some kind of object, a manufacturing, creating some kind of thing, right? Manufacturing some kind of thing or producing some kind of thing is called as a production. किसी चीज को बनाना, right? उसी चीज को बनाने को production बोलते हैं. So in production technology, you studied about a different method to manufacture nothing but produce the components. That is broad classification. देखेंगे, you want to go back to your production technology. So broad classification of engineering production process. Extremely difficult to tell exact number of various production processes. So आप लोग casting पढ़े, right? In your production technology, you studied about welding, you study about soldering, brazing, metal forming, extrusion, forging, lot of different kind of metal processing manufacturing processes you study in your production technology. So broadly, how much types of production technology means there is a lot of different types of production processes are there. So we cannot quantify, but we can broadly classify into different categories. So first among them, so whatever the production technology you have studied in your production technology, that is the shaping or nothing but forming of the material. So production is solid product of a definite size, a standard size of component or standard size of shape of product you are manufactured by different techniques. That is first one you study in the production technology, that is called as a foundry or nothing but casting. So where you use the liquid metal, liquid or semi-liquid metal. So whenever you use the material semi-liquid or liquid, that process is calling it as a casting process. Similarly, if it is a metal, we can call it as a casting. If it is a plastic, then we used to call it as a molding, nothing but injection molding process. So this is one of the manufacturing process, casting. If the metal is in the liquid shape or semi-liquid shape. So if the material is in the solid state, so whatever the material you're producing, it's not in liquid, you're not converting metal into the liquid, but directly solid, you need to convert into the other solid, right? One shape of the solid is converting into other shape of the solid. So that kind of process used to call as a forging, rolling, extrusion, drying, right? So we used to call popularly, we used to call it as a metal forming process. So metal forming process, if it is a solid stage, so then you used to call popularly, we are calling that process as a metal forming process. So casting process also a forming process where liquid metal is giving to the required shape, but popularly we are not calling it as a forming process. That process where the liquid metal is giving a required shape, it is calling it as a casting process. So solid process, if it is a solid material converting into other shape of solid, is calling it as a metal forming. So examples of the metal forming is forging, rolling, extrusion, and drying. So similarly, if it is using the powder, so maybe in your MMS, metallurgy and material science, maybe you studied. If this material, whatever the previous material you use, liquid shape or solid shape, in place, instead of, if this material is not in the liquid shape, not in the solid shape, if the material is in the powder shape, so powder shape of the material, you are converting into some other solid, other shape of the material. So that kind of manufacturing process is called as a powder metallurgy. So powder metallurgy process. So best example of powder metallurgy is making chapati. So जो आप घर में चपाती जो बना रहे हैं, so that is also a similar kind of powder metallurgy process. So there you're using a flour. आप आटा यूज करके रोटी बना रहे, so उसको रोटी बनाना बोलते हैं. But metallurgy, when you're coming to be engineering materials, if it is a metal, और आटे के बदले अगर आप आयरन का पाउडर ले रहे, अगर अल्यूमिनियम का पाउडर लेके कुछ बना रहे उसमें, so that process called as a powder metallurgy process. So these are the metal forming processes: liquid stage metal forming, solid stage metal forming, and powder based metal forming. These are the one of the important metal forming processes you studied in your production technology. Then coming to the next manufacturing process is different kind of objects you're joining together to make a required object. That process calling it as a welding or brazing or soldering. So these things also you studied in your production technology. Welding किसको बोलते हैं? When two similar material, solid material is joining together by placing some kind of filler material between the joint. And also you are melting the base metal. So whatever the joint material is there, that material is heating to the melting temperature. So their base metal is melting and fusing into each other. So that process is called as a welding process. Similarly, brazing, where you're using some kind of brazier, and similarly soldering. So these things you studied in your production technology. This is the broad classification of the manufacturing. Second type of manufacturing process, that is called welding or joining process. Then coming to the third manufacturing process. So these two manufacturing process you studied. Then coming to the third manufacturing process, which you are not studied. That is, you are manufacturing a component or manufacturing an object by removing excess material or nothing but cutting the excess material. So this is called as a machining process, which you're going to study in this subject, the machine tools. So whatever the machines are there, whatever the machine, that is a turning machine, grinding machine, or milling machine, or whatever the machine, drilling machine. So whatever the machines are there, so these machines also manufacturing the component. But the method of manufacturing here is different than whatever the method of manufacturing in your you studied in production technology. It is not like casting process. We are not melting the material. So this is not a process of deforming the material. We are not deforming like your metal forming, extrusion, forging. So we are not deforming also. And also we are not joining the two different material like welding. So here what we are doing, so whatever the existing material, we used to have a lump of material. So big lump of materials are there. Maybe a big rod is there. So these are big rods. Whatever the unwanted materials are there, that unwanted material we are removing from the surface of the material. So after removing unwanted material, whatever the remaining is there, so that is calling it as a metal cutting process. That process, whatever the objectives are remaining, so whatever the material remaining, that material is to required shape we made. So that component, so that manufacturing process is called as a metal removing or nothing but cutting process. So for this cutting, we used to have a tools. So that tool is called as a machine tool. Tool is nothing but machine. So for cutting of the material, so whatever the machines is required, that machine is called as the machine tool. So in this subject, you're going to learn about the machine tool. So in addition to the material removal, there is other processes also there, regenerative manufacturing, all these things I'm not going to discuss much about. So in this class, so in this subject, you're going to study about metal cutting or nothing but removing of material. So is it clear, everybody? Are you having any doubt about material removal or metal cutting?
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt, right? So now I'm taking a simple example, right? So this is whatever you're seeing in your slide, it's an apple, right? So apple is big. So as it is not possible for you to eat, right? So then what you will do? You need to bite it, right? So you need to bite. Otherwise, what we need to do? You need to make it small pieces, right? क्या करते हैं आप लोग? सेब खाना है तो डायरेक्ट सेब धो के उसको डायरेक्ट मुंह से कतरते। अगर नहीं कतरना नहीं तो क्या करते हैं उसको, और सबको देना है एक एक पीस में, चारों दोस्तां खाना है, क्या करते हैं आप उसको? पीसेस करते, राइट? छोटे छुरी से लेके कट करके पीसेस करते। कैसा काटेंगे इसको? इसको अब कट करना है तो अपने पास ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, राइट? क्या दिख रहा है इसमें आपको? ये सेब है, ये खाना है। आप लोग अभी क्लास में कितने? 4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 5 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप लोग पांचों को खाना है। ये इतना, ये एक ही सेब है, बड़ा सेब है, आप खा नहीं सकते एक, और एक 5 स्टूडेंट 5 लोग मिलके एक सेब नहीं खाते। तो क्या करना है इसको? इसको स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस करना है, ना तो एटलीस्ट 5 पीसेस करना है। सो वो जो 5 पीसेस है, जो एक एक पीस है, सो दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू टू ईट, राइट? सो दिस एप्पल इन मेटल कटिंग, सो वॉट एवर इज देयर, दिस इज ए लंप ऑफ मटेरियल, मतलब एक बड़ा मटेरियल आपके पास है। तो ये मटेरियल को आपको कट करना है इनटू द रिक्वायर्ड शेप एंड रिक्वायर्ड साइजेस। सो इन मेटल कटिंग द सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग। तो आप सेब को खाने के लिए जो कर रहे हैं, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? सेब को पीसेस कर रहे हैं। जो छोटा पीस है दैट इज योर रिक्वायर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर यू। बड़ा पीस आप नहीं खा सकते। तो इसके लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? पहले आर यू एबल टू हियर माय वॉइस?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको अब इसको काटना है तो क्या होना? आपको हाथ से तो नहीं काट सकते, राइट?
इसमें छुरी हो ना सर, नाइफ
You need to have a tool.
Knife, sir, knife.
Yes, you need to have a cutting tool, right? So that cutting tool you call it as a knife, right? छुरी है, cutting tool is nothing but
Yes, yes, sir.
काट दी। यहाँ सेब को काटना है आपको, तो सेब को काटने के यहाँ पर डिफरेंट में लिए, स्लाइड में देखे तो आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट्स है। लेफ्ट साइड में देखे तो स्केल है, स्केल भी स्टील का है, शार्प है था, वो भी थोड़ा बहुत शार्प ही रहता। आप स्केल यूज करते काटने? नहीं यूज करते, राइट? यूज करते? आई एम आस्किंग यू।
नहीं, नो सर।
यूज करते, स्केल से कट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि स्केल उतना शार्प ना रहता। और उसके ऊपर ये भी है, यहाँ पर और एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो यहाँ देखेंगे आप, तो ये कौन सा? एक छुरी भी है यहाँ पर, छुरी के साथ साथ दूसरे भी है पेन। ये देखो, ये अगर ये देखेंगे आप तो ये क्या है? ये जो एक बोल्ट्स के टाइप पे है। तो इससे काट सकते? नहीं काट सकते, राइट? काट सकते इससे? नहीं काट सकते। तो किससे काट सकते? यहाँ छुरी है, नाइफ है, तो इससे। So using this you can cut that apple. Similarly, for cutting the material, we need to have a specific type of tools are required. So those tools we used to call it as the machines. That may be lathe machine, that may be milling machine, that may be grinding machine, whatever the machine. So depending upon applications, you need to have the different tools. जिस तरीके से हम काटने के लिए छुरी यूज कर रहे, उसी तरीके से हम मेटल काटने के लिए different tools we are going to use. So in this subject, so in this machine tool subject, we are going to study about those different types of metal, different types of tools which are used to cut the material. So हम इसमें अगर देखेंगे तो स्पेसिफिकली नाइफ इच क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? आपसे इसे स्टील रूल से भी काट सकते हैं, आप बोल्ट से भी कुछ ट्राई कर सकते हैं। नाइफ से कट करने का रीजन क्या है? बिकॉज नाइफ इज सुटेबल फॉर कटिंग। सो फर्स्ट रीजन है नाइफ शार्प है। जो स्केल है, आपको प्रीवियस स्लाइड में जो स्केल है, वो स्केल उतना शार्प नहीं है, उससे आप शेप नहीं काट सकते। इससे क्यों काट रहे नाइफ से? बिकॉज नाइफ इज वेरी शार्प। सो नाइफ यूज्ड टू हैव सम शार्प एडजेस, राइट? ये जो एडज आप देखेंगे ये शार्प है। तो ये अगर शेप पे रख के आप थोड़ा प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे तो इट इज पेनेट्रेट into that apple. So because of that you are using, that is the one is characteristics of the knife which is we are using is it is sharper, right? And दूसरा क्या है? ये हार्ड रहती है। अब कंपेयर विद स्टील, अगर स्टील का आप देखेंगे, आप बेंड करेंगे स्टील को, so it still used to bend, but whether it's a knife, if you see, it's knife is may not be bent that much easily. So जब आप प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे, अगर बेंड हो जाता, अगर नाइफ बेंड हो जाता, तो इट्स नॉट एबल टू कट योर एप्पल. So to cut the apple, you need to have sufficient hardness is required in your cutting material. So that hardness is there in the knife. Whether in other tools, whatever you have seen previously, it is not there, right? So this is the second characteristics of the knife. And third characteristic, it is used to cut with very easily. So जो एंगल है आपके, जो स्केल में देखेंगे, यहाँ देखेंगे, तो अगर आप नेक्स्ट को आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो यहाँ पर एक शार्प एज रहता है विच इज हैविंग कट विद इन सम इंक्लिनेशन, थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन रहता है इसमें. So because of all these things, so these knife, whichever you have seen in the previous slide, is only can use to cut the apple. Whereas other tools, whichever is shown in your previous slide, it is not useful or nothing but it's unfit for cutting the material, cutting that your apple. Similarly, whatever the machines you're going to learn, so these machines, for example, you see in this image, so common process. So previously you've seen about apple cutting. Now instead of apple, that apple maybe you can replace with some kind of metal, that is maybe steel or aluminum or whatever. So you आप देखिए, so these things are now apple is replacing with this material. So this material to make into the required form or required shape, whatever the shape we want to give, to that we need to have some kind of special kind of knives are required. So whatever the knife you're using for cutting of apple, so that knife may not be useful for cutting of the material, right? Because whatever the softness, whatever the strength is there, that is sufficient. That knife is sufficient to cut only apple. But here metal is stronger, is harder. So with that knife, we not possible to cut this material, whatever the metal you are seeing in this. So for this, you need to have a high strength material or nothing but high hardness cutting tools are required. So those tools used to called as a turning. So nothing but turning machine. Similarly, milling. So those processes used to called as milling. So used to called as a milling machine. Similarly, drilling. We used to have the drilling machine. Similarly, is called as a grinding. So this is whatever you're seeing. This is a turning machine, right? And whatever you're seeing is this is milling machine. And whatever you're seeing, this is making a hole. So it is called as a drilling. And here, whatever you having is some abrasive particles, just some jet is there. So this used to called as a grinding. Like this, there is a different kind of machine tools are there. Different kind of processes are we are using. So these processes you're going to learn in this subject, that is called as a machine tool. So these operations. So what is common in these processes? So these operations have material being removed. So you can see anywhere. So this you can see some kind of sharp edge. Here, whatever this is a base material. From this, you're removing this material. When you're removing the material, you're going to get this kind of shape. So here also same thing. When this is rotating, this is a sharp edge. This is removing the material. Similarly, here also. So when this material is penetrating into this one, so this is removing whatever the excess material, and you're making a hole here. So all these processes, whatever you're seeing in this slide, so every process removing the material. So main purpose of this material, this process is removing the excess material. So then coming to be your basic process, machining. So this process, whatever the removing of the material, used to called as a machining. So machining is nothing a new term. So machining is nothing but removing of excess material is called as a machining, right? So any questions from students? If students are attentive, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it fine? So this is called machining, and whatever the tools or whatever the machines we are using for machining, so that used to called as a machine tool. So we are going to study about different kind of machine tool in this subject. So now coming to the machining. So machine tool, whatever the process we are doing in this is called as a machining. So what is machining? Machining is nothing but it's a process of manufacturing a component or nothing but producing a component by removing of unwanted material from the starting workpiece. So if you see here, whatever you've done, I think you're done in your workshop. In your workshop, you're done about wood turning lathe. Are you done wood turning lathe in your first year workshop?
लेट मशीन का कारण
हेलो, लेथ मशीन करे आप लोग?
यस सर,
वर्कशॉप में वुड टर्निंग लेथ था आप लोग?
लेट मशीन करे सर,
करे?
हमारे घर का भी दुकान है।
घर का भी दुकान है, आप वर्कशॉप में नहीं करे बोलो? वर्कशॉप में कुछ नहीं करे? फर्स्ट ईयर के वर्कशॉप में
नहीं करे सर।
ये वुड टर्निंग लेथ नहीं करे, क्यों नहीं करे? आपके सिलेबस में नहीं था? ओके, करो ना करो, देखो आप लोग लेथ मशीन तो देखे ना, ठीक है, नहीं करे होंगे, लेथ मशीन तो देखे ना आप लोग?
यस सर।
तो लेथ मशीन में क्या करते हैं?
यस सर।
अगर लेथ मशीन देखेंगे तो अब ये जो है ये रॉ मटेरियल है, मतलब बिफोर कटिंग क्या हो रहा है, वो रॉ मटेरियल लेके आके आप एक चेक में रखते, राइट? तो चेक में रखने के बाद ये मटेरियल घूमते रहता है, हाई स्पीड में घूमते रहता। जब घूमते रहता है ये मटेरियल जो घूम रहा, ये कटिंग टूल है। तो ये कटिंग टूल व्हेन यू कमिंग नियर टू दिस रोटेटिंग
कटिंग टूल पूरा कट होता,
तो ये कटिंग टूल जब आप
पूरा स्पिन होता, गोल 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 फिरता।
सो ये मटेरियल जो है ये गोल गोल फिर रहा, राइट? और ये जो है कटिंग टूल है, ये स्टेशनरी है, ये फिरता नहीं है। तो ये गोल गोल जो घूम रहा मटेरियल, वो घूमने के पास अगर ये मटेरियल लेके आके रखेंगे तो क्या होता है यहाँ पर? तो ये मटेरियल क्योंकि ये बहुत शार्प एज है
पूरा,
तो ये मटेरियल क्या करता है? ये मटेरियल कट करता है। ये जो देखो मटेरियल देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पर जो मटेरियल निकल गया, ये लेयर बाय लेयर जो मटेरियल चलेगा, ये लेयर चलेगा, देखो। तो ये मटेरियल को कट कर रहा है। सो ये मटेरियल कैसे कट कर रहा है? या मटेरियल यहाँ देखे तो आप एक थिक लेयर है, यहाँ पर देखो तो थिक लेयर नहीं है, यहाँ पर देखेंगे आप तो यहाँ देखो एक
Thick
स्टेप कैसा
layer,
बन रहा। तो यहाँ पर जो जो मटेरियल है, लेयर ऑफ
हाँ
मटेरियल को निकाल रहा हो, तो ये प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? मशीनिंग बोलते हैं। सो प्रोसेस ऑफ मशीनिंग इज नथिंग बट प्रोसेस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ए कंपोनेंट बाय रिमूविंग अनवांटेड मटेरियल। तो यहाँ पर ये जो ऊपर लेयर था ये अनवांटेड था, आपको जरूरत नहीं था, आपको नीचे का मटेरियल चाहिए। तो आपको फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो है ये 12 mm का 12 mm डायमीटर का मटेरियल है, बट आपको जो है आपको 10 mm का डायमीटर का रॉड चाहिए आप। तो क्या करते हैं आप, ये 12 mm में से जो एक्स्ट्रा जो 2 mm है वो
यस
2
सर,
mm
2 मीटर
मटेरियल
कट
निकाल
करना
देना है,
पड़ता, 2
राइट। वो मटेरियल निकाले तो आपको रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल बनता है, जो
वो
आपको
कट
रिक्वायर्ड जो मटेरियल हो, तो क्या करना है, जो अनवांटेड जो 1 mm का जो लेयर ऑफ मटेरियल ऊपर है उसको निकाल देना है, राइट। तो वो निकाले तो आपको जो रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल, जो रिक्वायर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट है वो बन रहा। तो ये प्रोसेस को, ये अनवांटेड मटेरियल निकाल दे के जो एक्चुअल जो कंपोनेंट को बना रहे, इस प्रोसेस को मशीनिंग बोलते हैं। सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द मशीनिंग प्रोसेस, राइट। सो ट्रेडिशनल जो मशीनिंग प्रोसेस है, मटेरियल रिमूवल बाय ए शार्प कटिंग टूल। अब इसमें देखेंगे तो ये नथिंग बट ट्रेडिशनल प्रोसेस है। वॉट एवर द लेथ का आप जो देखे, जो लेथ आप देखेंगे, तो ये ट्रेडिशनल मशीनिंग बोलते हैं इसको, मतलब पुराने जमाने से चलते आ रहा है इसको। ट्रेडिशनल मीन्स ओल्ड प्रोसेस, द सेम प्रोसेस स्टिल वी आर यूजिंग। तो ये इसमें क्या होता है, एक शार्प कटिंग टूल इज इंट्रोड्यूसिंग एट रोटेटिंग वर्कपीस। So when rotating workpiece is coming in contact with a sharp cutting tool, what happened? This cutting tool is penetrate into the material, a small layer of material, and then it remove the material layer by layer. So this process used to called as a traditional process of machining. So yeah, you remember, machining is nothing but process of removing unwanted material. So this called as a machining process, or nothing but machining. तो मशीनिंग में डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मशीनिंग है। एक जो ट्रेडिशनल मशीनिंग है जो आप लेथ में देखते हैं, इसके अलावा अगर आएंगे तो अब्रेसिव जेट मशीनिंग भी है, जो आप ग्राइंडिंग जो है, सो ग्राइंडिंग मशीन भी है। सो ग्राइंडिंग मशीन नॉर्मली कैसा, व्हाट इज द ग्राइंडिंग मशीन? सो ग्राइंडिंग मशीन डोंट हैव द शार्प एडजेस लाइक व्हाट एवर यू सीन इन द लेथ। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ शार्प एज, ग्राइंडिंग मशीन यूज्ड टू हैव a wheel. So it used to have a wheel. So
wheel
when
blade,
wheel or plate, whatever you can see. So wheel रहता अगर मोटा रहा तो wheel, अगर if the thickness of the wheel is smaller, we used to call it as a plate. If thickness of the wheel is bigger, we used to call it as a wheel, right? So this wheel now don't have the sharp cutting tool like whatever you've seen in previously in your cutting lathe. So here what happened, there is a wheel is there, but if you touch that wheel with a finger, you can see some kind of sharp objects. You can touch a sharp points to your finger. कभी भी आप ग्राइंडिंग व्हील देखेंगे, अपने वर्कशॉप में भी है रखा हुआ, अपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लैब में भी है। If you see that, if you bring any kind of workpiece, that workpiece if you bring toward very close to your wheel, so in that wheel consisting of a sharp edges, so these sharp edges is coming in contact with the workpiece and removing the material. So this kind of machining is called as a abrasive machining process, or nothing but abrasive process. So these things I'm going to show you maybe possible next class. Otherwise, you can see in my videos. You're going to know this. So whatever the abrasive machining. So previously traditional machining, where you have only one cutting edge, whereas in abrasive machining you have sharp cutting edges. Multiple cutting edges are there. So when these sharp multiple cutting edges are coming in contact with the workpiece, it is removing the material. यहाँ देखेंगे तो ये एक्चुअली ये माइक्रोस्कोप, ये इमेज को बड़ा करके अगर माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे तो ये ऐसा दिखता, बट अगर आप नॉर्मल देखेंगे तो ग्राइंडिंग व्हील इट इज लुकिंग लाइक वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल दिखते हैं आपको। तो दिस स्मॉल पार्टिकल यूज्ड टू हैव सम स्मॉल शार्प एजेस। So these sharp edges when coming in contact with the workpiece, so these sharp edges removing the material. So but this removing the material is very small in quantity, because these edges, that whatever the cutting tools are there, it's very small in size. So this kind of process is called as an abrasive process. So similarly, in addition to this, there is other non-traditional processes are there. Instead of using your cutting tool, physical cutting tool, you can use a laser jet also. So by passing through the laser beam through the material, so you can cut the material. So this kind of processes is called as the non-traditional processes, like laser beam welding, electron beam welding. So electron beam cutting, not welding, it's cutting. Laser cutting as well as electron beam cutting, all these things is considering as a non-traditional manufacturing process, nothing but non-traditional machining. So there is no direct physical contact between the cutting tool and workpiece like you are seen in here. So this kind of direct contact is not there between the cutting tool as well as the workpiece. So here cutting tool is a laser jet. So using laser jet, you are cutting the material, right? So there is no direct contact. The laser is not having any physical contact, right? So laser just simply it is penetrating into the material. It is melt the material because of this laser beam. This whatever the localized, the melting is happening. So once it melts, then these two pieces are separates. So this is called as a machining process. So this kind of machining process is called as a non-traditional process. So these non-traditional process we are not going to study in this in this subject. So these topics you're going to study in your next semester, maybe next semester. Unconventional manufacturing process is there. So UCMP. So in that you're going to study. So in this semester, so in this metal cutting, you're going to study about the traditional manufacturing process, and you're going to study about abrasive process. So these processes you're going to study in the next semester. So why machining is required and what is the importance of machining? So all these things you're going to see in my video, whatever I shared to you, right? So these things, because whatever that previously just now I explained to you, these things are not there in that video. That's why I have explained to you, and this is introducing you about your subject, right? So now, so what I will do, because time also coming to end. So we're having this last 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes are left out. So what I will do, I'll stop it here. I will take up if you have any doubts up to now, whatever I explained to you. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Right? So are you able to understand what I told you? समझ में आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
Yes sir, समझ में आया.
जी, कुछ डाउट्स है क्या इसमें?
Yes sir, yes sir.
अब तक जो बोला हूँ मैं, कुछ डाउट्स है इसमें?
No doubt sir.
डाउट नहीं है कुछ. समझ में आना क्या? What is machining? What is manufacturing? What is the production and what is the machining? That only I explained to you, right? So continue. If you understand this, whatever my last 20-25 minutes, what I told, if you understand your subject, this subject, machine tool and metrology and machine tool subject is going to be very easy for you, right?
Right sir.
Yes, sir.
तो कुछ डाउट्स नहीं है आप लोगों को अभी?
No sir.
No doubt. नहीं है sir doubt.
तो आप क्या करो, कल छुट्टी है, कल कॉलेज नहीं है, तो मेरे अब तक मैं जो वीडियो शेयर कर रहा हूँ आपको, 3-4 वीडियो जो शेयर कर रहा हूँ, वो वीडियोस को सुनिए आप लोग. पॉसिबल टुडे इवनिंग और मे बी टुमारो यू लिसन इट. इफ यू हैविंग एनी डाउट, दोस थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस ऑन आवर फ्राइडे क्लास. ठीक है
सर, प्रैक्टिकली कुछ भी नहीं दिखेंगे सर, लेथ मशीन पे वही
कराएंगे ना. देखो लैब कराएंगे आपको. अभी तो देखो लैब, आपका लैब है ना, एवरी थर्सडे यू हैव लैब, बट टुमारो अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू हैव हॉलिडे, लैब नहीं रहेगा. अलबत्ता नेक्स्ट वीक आप लोगों के मिड एग्जाम्स है, तो मिड एग्जाम्स होने के बाद इंशाल्लाह वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर क्लासेस इन पर्सन. तो तब आपके पास लैब कराएंगे. आपको ऑलरेडी मशीन टूल एमएमटी लैब है. लैब में यू विल गोइंग टू शो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, whatever I told you about lathe machine, about milling machine, about drilling machine, about the grinding machine, everything we're going to show you in the lab, right?
ठीक है सर.
So now my suggestion to you everybody please buy a textbook for this subject, and this subject is a core subject for you. So ये आप लोगों का important subject है. So element of manufacturing process by B.S. Nagendra Parashar. So this book, please everybody note down this name. Check it in Amazon.
Okay,
so it's available in Amazon. Please try to keep this book with you. Similarly, engineering metrology रखो बेहतर है. So the last 2 chapters, that is 4th and 5th chapter is engineering metrology. First two chapters, that is 1, 2, and 3 is from manufacturing. This machine tool, that is from element of manufacturing process. So these 2 books, please keep it with you.
Okay.
Right? So I'm getting a few more calls, sir. Then I'm stopping my this class today. So even if anybody having any doubt, even if not understand, contact me. Right?
Okay.
Inform to your friends to listen whatever the videos is already shared to you. And on Friday morning 9:30, inshallah I'm going to start your class on Friday. Any doubts from today's class or maybe from next these 4 videos, whatever you're going to listen, if any doubts are there, you can ask me in that class. Okay?
Okay.
ठीक है then. So if anybody having question, please ask me. If no questions, maybe we can wind up the class now.
Okay sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right, solid. अभी सामने वाले Srinivas.